Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your UBS account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA for enhanced protection. Step 1. Log into your UBS account. Visit the UBS website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you are on a secure network to protect your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is typically found in the Account Menu or Profile section. Step 3. Select Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the option to enable Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to your chosen method. Once verified, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication is a crucial step in securing your UBS account. By following these steps, you can help protect your personal information from unauthorized access.